Hey guys, Aaron Dunn here from Bass Truck Center. I got a brand new Hino S5 box truck with a 215 horsepower diesel engine on it. It's got a 20-foot Morgan aluminum box. The box has translucent roofing, LED lighting, and one row of E-track in it. Inside the cab, you have 3 passenger seating, power windows, you have power locks, overdrive, traction control, heated mirrors and cruise control, AM/FM stereo, air conditioning, automatic transmission, DOT safety kit. This truck has everything you need to get the job done for under $70,000. Call or text Aaron Dunn at Bass Truck Center at 440-666-6253. Thanks. I look forward to hearing from you.